Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, the founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report. Reminder, this is for education purpose only. Shouldn't be considered investment advice. Options have risk. Consult a financial professional with questions. So here we are. Moneyness. So here we are, and you can see the S&P is up about 10. The Russell 2000 is soft. That's never a great sign. Although it was strong yesterday, and that did not prove to be super bullish the rest of the market. The leader is the NASDAQ. That's usually a win. And the S&P and the Dow are both kind of in lockstep. The VIX is way off, and there's some softness in VXX. Looking at the individual ETFs, biotechs are strong. Really just energy and financials are a little soft, and retail. Everything else is up, notably the industrials, which are up 1.3% according to the S&P 500. That's a big win. So where is that strength coming from? Well, you've got Apple up. A lot of the chips are up. Amazon's recovering. Facebook is now green on the day. After really a rough couple of days, it's interesting to see Facebook finally maybe catching a bid. Caterpillar, which gave away its gains yesterday, has picked them all back up. John Deere continues to look stronger. So the industrials all kind of up and down look pretty tough. Facebook looks like it's finally found some footing. And really just the softness we're seeing is from your Goldmans and your JP Morgans, kind of your financials. The way the S&P kind of ended yesterday, I think it points toward a bullish day. It was never able to really catch a sell-off. It was never really able to die. They tried to push it down 20, could not. And so I think that maybe leads us to a potential turnaround Tuesday. So what am I going to be looking to do? I'm going to be looking at names like Caterpillar and Facebook and your Triple Q. This is one that I'm watching closely for opportunities to trade in and around them. I'm going to keep my eye on IWM and RUT. I think IWM is set for a run. I think it's probably, you can see it's higher today, outperforming the Russell 2000. So I like the Russell to eventually get ahead of steam. And I think you're going to see kind of the whole market drag higher eventually. We typically see kind of some softness around, 10 o'clock during the day. But it doesn't feel like there's a lot of panic. We opened extremely high, up about 15. You don't normally see markets have that kind of a pop open and then give it all away when, the other days have been kind of open, flat, melt lower. I would expect it, if we were going to really take it in the chin, we would have kind of had the same kind of formula as yesterday: open, flat to slightly up, and then melt. Today, we opened real strong. They're trying to melt it down. I think this is going to get bought. So I'm going to be looking at some bullish trades in the S&P. I'm going to be looking at Apple ahead of earnings. And I'll be kind of looking at bonds. We have the Fed going on. Bonds are interesting. We already took a look at Square. I think Square is way screwy relative to, all those payment names have taken on the chin, but Square notably has been just absolutely punched in the face. PayPal is off $10 from the high. So there's just some kind of crazy bloodletting out. One name that has remained strong and rightfully so is Microsoft. This is a name that we continue to like. We did put on a trade yesterday. We'll kind of re-examine where we are with it. And we'll take a look at NVIDIA, which got kind of slapped. Finally, on the earnings front today, Procter & Gamble reported it's flat. I'll play around with that. Might be an interesting at-the-money play there in Procter & Gamble. And then Qualcomm announced a pretty big buyback and is up nicely on it and could be kind of an interesting play. Okay, folks, if you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 888-TRADE-01. I am doing another webinar on earnings trades this Thursday. Go to optionpit.com, optionpitmembers.com/earnings to register. This will be the last time I'm doing it. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.